It really does feel like my backyard.
You silly guy.
Here in northern New Mexico, within my ancestral lands, I feel a sense of place and belonging here as far back as I can even think or imagine. The truth of it is that man-made places can't provide us with what nature provides us. A lot of my work, while focused on environmental or climate issues, actually happens inside. Coming out in spaces like this is really a critical thing in keeping that work alive and keeping that work real to me. So I had a babysitter who was also a prominent potter in my community, and these are the types of pieces that she was famous for making. The process of making this type of piece was something I was exposed to from a really young age. Going into the mountains, going into the forest, finding the clay, the mica, those are things that have always kept me connected to the ways in which culture and nature are interdependent. One of the understandings that my culture has really embedded in me is that we have a relationship with nature, and that relationship is a foundational relationship that we will have hopefully for our entire lifetimes. I really do see my work as an advocate for the natural world, for the environment, for biodiversity as part of that system of reciprocity.